Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to save your data on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Now, the first step is to go to the Play Store. Now from here, tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on Settings. Now from here, tap on Network Preferences and tap on Auto Update Apps. Now from here, make sure to select Update over Wi-Fi only. By enabling this feature, your smartphone will update apps using Wi-Fi only and it will not consume your internet data. Now from here, go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the security app. Now scroll down and tap on data usage. Now from here, tap on data usage stats. Now from here, you can select the apps and from here you can disable background data usage. Tap on OK. By disabling this feature, the selected apps cannot use your internet data in the background. Now just select the apps and disable background data usage, just like that. And this is how you can save your data on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.